everyone, my name is Marian Kate Cotton Hugo and I am from BSHM Block 13, second year. So today we are going to determine the solution sets of the following linear equations in two variables by using elimination and substitution as methods. So we have here the given equation 1. This is for item number 1. We have here the given equations 3x plus 7y equals 12, and the second equation 4x minus 8y equals negative 1. So this is our item number 1. We have here the first given equation and the second given equations. So for step 1, we're going to multiply equations to make coefficients of x equal. We are going to use the elimination method. First, we need to make the numbers before x the same in both equations so we can cancel out x later. So multiply the first equation by 4. 4x open parenthesis 3x plus 7y equals 12. So 4 times 3, we got here 12x plus 4 times 7 is 28. 28y equals 12. Then the second equation, we're going to multiply into 3. 3x plus 3x open parenthesis 4x minus 8y equals negative 1. So 3 times 4 equals 12x minus 3 times 8 is 24y equals negative 3. Now, both equations have 2x, so we can subtract them to remove the x. And this is our step 2. Step 2. We take the first new equation minus the second new equation just like this. This is our first 12x plus 28y minus 12x minus 24y equals 48 minus open parenthesis minus negative 3 close parenthesis. So we're going to open the parenthesis, then distribute the minus sign. 12x plus 28y minus 12x plus 24y equals 48 plus 3, because negative times negative equals positive. That's why it's positive. Then combine like terms. 12x minus 12x equals 0. So the x is cancels out completely. Then we have here the remaining 28y plus the 24y equals 52y. Then this we're going to add, we're going to combine them. 48 plus 3 equals 51. So we get here 52y equals 51. So our y is, the value of our y is 51 over 52. And that is the value of our y. Then we're going to step 3. We're going to substitute y equals 51 over 52 back to find x. Now, we plug the value of y we just found back into the first original equation, the 3x plus 7y equals 12, to solve for x. So, this is 3x plus 7. The value of our y is 51 over 52 equals 12. Now, we're going to multiply the 7 into 51. So, 7 times 51 equals 357. So, it will going to be 3x plus 357 over 52 equals 12. Then we're going to move the fraction to the right side. 3x equals 12 minus 357 over 52. And we're going to convert the 12 to a fraction with the denominator 52. So we can subtract 12 equals 12x 12 times 52 over 52 equals 624 over 52. So, 3x equals 624 over 52 minus this 357 over 52. We're going to subtract the numerator. So, 624 minus 357 is 267. 3x equals our result 267 over 52. To solve for x, we're going to divide both sides by 3. 267 over 52 divided by 3 equals 267 over 52 times 3. So we got here 89 over 52. So this is the value of our x. 89 over 52. So the answer for number 1 is, this is our final answer, 89 over 52 and 51 over 52. So that is the final answer for the item number 1. So this is our problem number 2. We have here the given equations, given equation 1 and given equation 2. So for our step 1, we're going to add 2 equations to eliminate x. So here we have negative x in the first equation and positive x in the second. They are opposites. So if we add the equations together, the x terms will cancel out immediately. So that's the elimination method. So for our step 1, open parenthesis, negative x plus positive x plus y plus y, close parenthesis, then negative 1 plus 3. So we're going to group like terms. Negative x plus x equals 0. So our x is gone or eliminated. Then y plus y equals 2y. Then negative 1 plus 3 equals 2. So we get here 2y equals 2. Then we're going to divide both sides by 2. So we got here y equals 1. And for our step 2, we're going to substitute y to find x. Y equals 1 to find x. Now that we know y equals 1, we substitute this value back into either original equation. So let's use the second one. X plus y equals 3. So we're going to use that. X plus 1 equals 3. Since our y is 1, so we're going to write here 1. We're going to move 1 to the right side to subtract 1 from both sides. X equals 3 minus 1. So our x is 2. Our x is 2. So that is our final answer. So our answer in number 2 is 2 and 1. And this is our problem number 3. We have here the two given equations. We have given equation 1 and equation 2. So for step 1, we're going to simplify both equations first. So first, we remove parentheses and simplify both equations to standard form. So that for our equation 1, this is for the step 1. 2 open parenthesis 4 x minus y equals negative 2, diba? So multiply it out. 2 times 4 is 8. 8x equals 2y equals negative 2. So we're going to divide all terms by 2 to simplify. So 4x minus y equals negative 1. And for the equation number 2, negative 3 open parenthesis x minus y close parenthesis equals 10. That is for the equation number 2. So we're going to multiply it out. So this is 3x plus 3y, then equals 10. Then for our step 2, we use the substitution method from 4x minus y equals 1. This we're going to use substitution method. Let's solve for y. So we can substitute it into the second equation. So this is 4x minus y equals negative 1. We're going to move the 4x to the right side. So it will going to be negative y equals 4x plus 1. That is for the step 2. And for step 3, we're going to substitute the y equals 4x plus 1 into the second equation. Now, we replace the y in negative 3x plus 3y equals 10 with 4x minus y. Minus 1 rather. So, this, step 3. Negative 3x plus 3 and our y 4x plus 1 equals 10. Then we're going to expand. We're going to expand the parentheses. So negative 3x plus 12 plus 12x plus 3, because 3 times 4 is 12 and 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 1 is 3 equals 10. Then we're going to combine like terms. Open parenthesis, negative 3x plus 12x close parenthesis plus 3 equals 10. So it will going to be 9x plus 3 equals 10. Equals 10. So we're going to solve for x, diba? We're going to move the 3 to the right side. So it will going to be 9x equals 10 minus 3. So we got here 9x equals 7. Equals 7. Then we're going to divide it by 9. So our x is 7 over 9. And that is the value of our x. For the step 4, this is the step 4. Step 4, we're going to find y using the equation y equals 4 plus 1. This is, now we plug x equals 7 over 9 back into our expression for y. So this is y equals 4 open parenthesis 7 over 9 close parenthesis plus 1. So we're going to calculate 4 times 7 equals 28. So our y is 28 over 9 plus 1. Then we're going to convert 1 to fraction denominator 9. So 9 over 9. And our y is y equals 28 over 9 plus 9 over 9. So we're going to add numerators. So the value of our y is 28 plus 9 is 37. Then we're going to copy the denominator 9. And that is the value of our y. So our final answer in the problem number 3 is answer number 3 is 7/9 and 37/9. That is the final answer of our item number 3. This is for the item or problem number 4. So we have here the given equations. 15x plus 9y equals negative 12. And the second equation is x minus y equals 5. So, first, for the step 1, first, pick the simpler equation. So, it is the x minus y equals 5. And solve for x, so we can substitute it into the first equation. So, this x minus y equals 5. Then we're going to move the y into the right side. So it will going to be x equals y minus plus 5 rather. So that is for the step 1, and this is the step 2. Now replace every x in 15x plus y equals negative 12 with y plus 5. So we're going to write this 15y plus 5 plus 9y equals negative 12. That's for the step 2. Then I forgot to write 5 here. So 15 times 5 equals 75. So 15y plus 75 plus 9y equals negative 12. So we're going to combine like terms, the y term. So 15y plus 9y equals 24y. So 24y plus 75 equals 12. 24y plus our 75. This is the 24y and plus 75. 75 equals negative 12. So we're going to move constant positive 5 to the right side. So 24y equals negative 12 minus 75. So we got here 24y equals negative 87. Negative 87. So we're going to solve for y. Divide both sides by 24. So y equals negative 87 over 24. So we're going to simplify the fraction. We're going to divide numerator and denominator by 3. So our y is 87 divided by 3 is 29, and 24 divided by 3 is 8. And don't forget the negative sign. And that is the value of our y. For the step 3, we're going to find x using the equation x we're going to use equation x equals y plus 5. Now we have the value of y, which is the y equals negative 29 over 8. We're going to substitute it back into the x equals y plus 5 to find x. So x equals negative 29 over 8 plus 5. Then we're going to convert whole number 5 to fraction with denominator 8. So 5 equals 40 over 8. So we have here x equals 29 over negative 29 over 8 plus 40 over 8. Then add numerators, and we have same denominator. So negative 29 plus 40 equals 11. So because we're going to subtract it, because we have here the negative sign. So we got here the value of our x, which is the 11 over 8. And that is our final answer. And for our final answer for the whole equation is, answer number 4 is 11 over 8 and 11 over 8 and negative 29 over 8. That is our final answer.